This video is made possible by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Today, we are going to create this. In case you don't have the After Effects installed on your computer, you can download it from the link in the description. So let's get started, open After Effects and create a new composition. I am calling it Split Text Animation. As always, I'm using the 1920 by 1080 resolution, and a frame rate of 30. You are free to use your own settings. Now the first step is to create a new solid layer. I am calling it the background, and keeping this dark blue color. You are free to use any color you want. Hit OK. Then go to the tools, and select the text tool. Click anywhere on the screen, and start typing your text. I am typing my first word, which is work word. Eject from the typing box, and align your text into the center. I am using this Bieber's Neue font. Let's change the font color to this off-white color, and keep the size value around 320 pixels. Make sure to align it to the center. Then select your text layer, go to the effects and the presets, and search for the CC split. Apply it to the text layer, and let's do the work. Change the first pointer value to -8000, and the point B first value to around 10,000. Now if you increase the split value, you can see the text is splitting into two parts, and this is what we need. Let's add some animation to it. Ensure you are at the first frame, and then add a keyframe on the split. Then go to the 1 second position, and change the split value to around 0.5. And this is how it looks. Now press U to reveal all keyframes, select both keyframes, right-click on them, and select Easy Ease. Then open Graph Editor. In case your graph does not look like this, then right-click here, and choose Edit Speed Graph. Now select the end keyframe, and change the curves to something like this. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. Switch back to the main timeline, and now we are adding the next text. So select the work layer, and make a duplicate of it. Double-click on this text layer, and choose a different text. I am using this smart word. You can always add any word you want, I'm just showing you the way, the destiny is yours. Now go to the point where you want to place your text. I am going to place it right here. Something like this. But the thing is, the split text appears right on top of the first word. So we need to do some changes here. Press U to reveal all keyframes. Go to the end keyframe position, and change the split value to a lower number. Let's make it 1. I think we need to choose a lower value. Let's keep the 0.8. Now change the font size to a lower number as well. I'm keeping the 140 pixel size. Make sure to align your text into the center after making any changes. Let's keep the split value to 0.7, and this is how it looks now. Now make one more duplicate of this text layer, press U to reveal all keyframes, and align your text layer like this. Select the top layer, and I am going to delete the CC split from it. And now it won't split into two parts. Let's double-click on this layer, and replace the text as well. Now the whole text is work smart and hard. Perfect. We just need to add some transitions in front of the text. So select the text layer, then go to the effects and the presets, and search for the Perfect. We just need to add some transitions in front of the text. So select the text layer, then go to the effects and the presets, and search for the CC Grid wipe. Place it onto the layer, and let's adjust a few settings. First, right now the wipe is making this X shape. So I am going to change some values. The border will be 30, and the tiles will be 1. Now change the rotation value to 180 degrees. If you check the transition, it is showing this I shape. Let's change the center value to 1300, and it is going to appear from the right. Let's do one more change. Change the shape to the door, and then check this reverse transition. If you play this transition, it will look like this. Let's add some animation. So align the top text layer parallel to the bottom layer, then go to the first keyframe position, and check the animation, and this is how it looks. Now we just need to adjust the keyframe values. So select both keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor, and change the curves to something like this. Let's adjust some keyframes, so that they won't overlap with each other. This is going to take some time, so take your time, and try to match the timing. Now I'm going to add this transition to my other text as well. So copy this CC Grid wipe effect from the layer, and paste it to the bottom layer. I am going to increase my layer length, and then place the transition keyframes in the front. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. In case some of your text is not visible properly, make sure to change the transition values. Adjust the keyframes if need, and make it as smooth as possible. So in my case, the smart text is not appearing completely from the top and bottom, so I am going to the end keyframe position, and changing the completion value to around 80. Now it will work fine. Perfect. Let's do one more change. Select your text layer, and change its color to a different one. I am going to keep this blue one. Now press M to minimize all layers, then right-click here, and create a new adjustment layer. I am calling it Skew. Then go to the Effects and the Presets, and search for the Transform. Apply it to the adjustment layer, and then change the skew value to -10. You may see the background is not appearing properly. So select the background layer, and open the scale. Change the scale value to around 150. And this is how it looks now. Let's go to the 2-second position, and press N to set the work area end. Check the animation, and now we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace. Download unlimited After Effects templates, logo music, background music, sound effects, fonts, stock footage, web templates, mockups, and more. Visit the first link in the description, and start downloading today.